More powerful cleaner, MPC. As the name suggests, it is meant to improve the speed of your system and improve your internet experience. But according to the majority of internet audience, it actually does the opposite. If you feel you are also plagued by this issue, keep watching this video till the end. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaushal and you're watching TechWhoop. So today we are going to talk about how to fix the more powerful cleaner issue on your system. We will look at multiple ways to remove it from your Windows device. So let's just start with the first method. Firstly, open up your control panel. After that, inside the control panel window, select uninstall the program under the program heading. In this list that appears, look for MPC Cleaner. If you cannot find MPC Cleaner in the list, you cannot remove it using this method. So we'll just go to the next method. In case if you found it over here, just double click on the MPC Cleaner entry to open up the uninstaller. Follow the on-screen instructions to successfully remove this from your system. After that, restart it and you're good to go. If this didn't work for you, go for method number 2. Method number 2 is uninstalling the software using a third-party uninstaller like Revo uninstaller. So you'll find the link in the description. This is also an uninstaller and this will show you some of the other applications which might not be visible inside your control panel. So download it from the link in the description, install the application by running as admin and follow all the on-screen instructions. After that, just launch the app, find the MPC Cleaner on the list and then just select it and click on the uninstall button. Follow all the on-screen instructions and just delete MPC Cleaner from there. Restart your system and you're good to go. But if in case this method also did not work for you, let's go for method number 3. If the first two methods did not work for you, that means that MPC Cleaner is trying really hard to hide on your system and it's a bit more serious than we thought. So this is what you're supposed to do. Firstly, make sure that you're logged in as an admin. Try to find the directory where the MPC Cleaner is saved. So if you do not know the installation directory, just open up the task manager, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape combination and over here in the processes tab, find MPC. Right click on it and click on open file location. In the Explorer window, go back till you reach the root folder of where the MPC Cleaner is present. Select the folder, right click and then just click on delete. Click on yes on any prompts or anything that might pop up. After that, also try terminating the process inside the MPC Cleaner. After that is done, just restart your PC and hopefully the issue should be solved by now. Lastly, if this method also does not work, that means that this malware is pretty deep-rooted install your system and this is the last failsafe that you should try doing. Okay, so open your system in the safe mode by pressing the Ctrl+Shift and Escape key. Try finding the process of MPC wherever its name is located and try to terminate it forcefully by click on the end task button. After that, go to the installation directory as we saw in the previous steps and after that select the folder and delete it. Now because you're inside the safe mode, you should be successfully be able to remove the MPC Cleaner. Finally, now you can restart your device into the normal mode and this issue should not be present. If you want to know more about each and every step in detail, make sure you check out our guide, link will be in the description for it. And if you're already watching this video on the website, make sure you just scroll below, you'll find it. So now smash that dislike button if you did not like this video. In case if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Kaushal. Peace out.
That's good.